Good morning for all of us. This time we want presentation about testing process for our web project with name Jala with Cucumber and Robot Framework. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Putra Bangabadi Storus, Ivan Alexander Arahap, and the last are Albert Manurung as a leader of our group. Now we want to start our presentation. First, I want to describe about our project. This project named Jala, taken from Gejala. The main purpose of this application to help people, especially Indonesian people, to recognize the problem of their health condition. In this pandemic, every person may easy to get panic of their health condition. This application help people to recognize what the problem of the make they sick. So this web make user easier to talk with doctor when they already know about their condition. Because people may feel sick, but they even know about their own condition. So we hope people can get more help with this web.
With feature in our web and we want to test our login, register, profile, viral, information of COVID, news of COVID, overcome of COVID, logout and hamburger menu. With login and logout to enter and leave the web, register to sync up to web, profile to edit user profile, information of COVID is tell about COVID, new of COVID update data about COVID, and viral is the main feature to consultation doctor via chat.
Okay, first I will tell about what is black box testing. Black box testing is a software testing method in which the functionalities of software application are tested without having knowledge of internal code structure, implementation details, and internal paths. Black box testing mainly focus on input and output of software application, and it is entirely based on software requirement and specification. It is also known as behavioral testing. So for the simplified explanation, in this test, we just focus on the input and output while we do the test without knowing their internal code implementation. And how we do the test is initially we are occurred the requirement and specification of the system. Then we choose the valid inputs to check whether processed correctly. Also, we choose some invalid inputs to verify that the system is able to detect the invalid input. After the input is chosen, we determine expected output for all those inputs. Then we construct the test case with the selected inputs. After that, we execute the whole test case. From the executed test case, we compare the actual input and then the actual output with the expected output. Finally, we defect if any error and fix it. Then we can retest the system. From the explanation before, we already successful to implement black box testing on our own website, Gejala. And for the test, my partner Albert Manurung will show us the test.
And this is the end of our presentation. We are say thanks to for your attention to watch the video. And the last word we are say thank you.